Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to design a modern double frame effect using frames in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a wide canvas for a modern layout. First I import an image and resize it to fit the canvas properly. Then I draw a rectangular frame around the image using the Shape tool. After that I duplicate the frame and increase its size slightly. Now I change the color of the outer frame to create contrast. Next I add soft drop shadows to both frames to add depth. Then I carefully align both frames so spacing looks intentional. After this I adjust opacity to keep the frames subtle and elegant. Now I test different stroke widths to find the perfect balance. Finally I refine everything until